Yes, yeah. Cool. So yesterday, we gone through the data loader with or delete, export all upset. But insert and update, just I given you the exercise, guys. You may need to go through it. Now let's focus on the data loader.io. Within that, I will try to complete insert and update. Remaining all process same. So from this, we'll go for insert and update. Yeah. Okay. So to log into dataloader.io, it's very simple again. So it's a cloud-based applications, dataloader.io. So here, simply log in with Salesforce. So production or sandbox, if you have any custom domain, you can go for it. But at the moment, we are going to use developer org, which is the productions basically. So click sign in. Something wrong with this. Yeah. Okay. So again, here also there is a welcome notes. So how to do the basic stuff, import, export, delete, they given a sample videos. So how to do that. And other than that, there is a documentations. So how to import the data into Salesforce, export the data from Salesforce, deleting the data in Salesforce, manage your task, best practices. And other than that, they do have connecting to a box, connecting to FTP, connecting to a Dropbox. So even if you are storing the information in the Dropbox, so simply you can connect. So basically you have to connect and allow them and choose the file where you want to connect, and you can select the file from the Dropbox as well. So mainly for especially scheduling purpose, so you can read that particular file from the Dropbox and store it into Salesforce. So let's say every day or every week on a specific time, take the information from the Dropbox and put it into Salesforce. So the Dropbox will be shared with the third-party company. Maybe the third-party company will generate the same format and put the file every week on Dropbox. Once the file is ready, the system will go and take that file and then it will process the info. Yeah, so they're given a different options, and also you can set up the email notifications. Now let's do the first. I will export from the Salesforce, so which is an employee again. So I do not all the fields. Maybe I will go for a few fields, which is name field, record type, or let's go ahead with that and then we'll delete it. No problem. So next, so there are 18 rows. Here also, do you want to send an email about the results, or you want a task hourly, daily, weekly, monthly? You can schedule it. So if you schedule it hourly, again, we don't have options for now, we have to upgrade it basically. For hourly, daily we have it, free versions. Weekly also, again, we don't have it. Monthly, yeah, we don't have it. We have to upgrade it basically. For daily, yes, we do have. We can put a specific time. So daily, 7 p.m. from so and so date, every day, if you want to put it from today to maybe up to December end. So every day this system will export the data and send an email to you. Okay, so like that you can schedule the export. So other than that, what format you want to export it, and and the destination folder, if you want to store somewhere, So you can put the destination folder. Or if you want to put into a FTP, yes, you can connect into FTP. And from there, like, yeah, Dropbox or any other system, you can connect and you can store it. Okay. So Box, even like if you have a database, yes, you can go and post it. At the moment, like the database option is, they're working on it, but again, so it's available on the MuleSoft. Mainly Box, Dropbox, Secure FTP or FTP. Like Secure FTP also, I think like, yeah, we may need to upgrade it. And the FTP available, so you can put on the FTP locations. Okay, so I don't want to schedule it now. I am happy to just download right away. And no need any advanced options, just save and run. So it get exported. So here, task run, this is a file name and this is the success file. So you'll see here, there is a success file. Let me open that file. Oh my goodness, it's opening on CSV. Okay. Numbers window, which is like very difficult for me to edit. Let me open the Excel sheet. I think because of the upgrade, like on the Mac OS, my system, like it's lot of functionality is not working. But like I don't want to update the sheet. So on the downloads, okay, anyway, let's open the file from here. File, open. So on downloads, copy of not spent, employee today. Okay, so there are files. I'm going to save this one file, save as, insert. For insert, I don't want any of this field. See here, one best thing in the data loader.io, it's aligned alphabetically. All the fields has been aligned alphabetically. So date of birth, I will keep it. I think it's a mandatory. And is deleted, employee code, no need. Employee name, I will keep it. Employee number, flag, grade, home phone, image, I don't want. Is active, let it be. Joining date, no need. Even like if it's a multi-pick list, see here, you have to put like a multi-pick list like this. So I will delete the joining date. I don't want that. Activity date, last modified date, reference date, view, mobile, we will keep it. And owner ID, no need. National insurance number, no need. And yeah. Owner ID, delete it. I need a record type ID. And that's it. Okay, so what I'm going to do to insert into Salesforce, simple operation. So basically, employee name, new insert cut cell. Yeah, employee name, date of birth, language nouns. So I will go and put like a similar way. But again, I don't want like all this. So just a mobile, office email ID, and the record type ID. So even I don't want to take all the records. So I will just take few records. Delete. And data loader 1 2 3 4. I'll make it as 2. Same number will be, and here data loader 1 dot gmail, data loader 2 dot.
Sampath, here this is active true means is it
Sorry,
we exported, right? Is active is true
that is a
means
custom field. That is a custom field.
okay.
We add like one custom field basically.
Okay.
So that custom field we are setting the values.
No, the true means it is from the recycle bin, right? Yesterday.
No, that is the deleted, is deleted.
Okay.
The field is different basically. That is deleted, and this one like is active. This is basically custom field. Okay, now I have this file. Now let's insert into Salesforce. So using the data loader.io. So new task, import, insert, employee. Okay, upload the file, which is insert, and see it get mapped automatically because all the field we are using it, so it get mapped automatically. If it's not get mapped automatically, you can go on the map manually.
But Sampath, you said it's going to be aligned in alphabetical wise, but it doesn't show there, right?
While exporting it, the Excel sheet will be aligned alphabetically. While exporting.
Okay.
So next, then now we are inserting it. So do you want to schedule it? Yeah, I don't want to schedule it. Just insert like one time only, and use batch API like 200 record. So save and run. So it's running now.
This looks simpler than that one data loader. The user interface and everything is look and feel is good.
Yeah, again, there is a limit here, right? So
yeah, paid version is there. But in Sambat, in data loader for scheduling, we need to use that command line interface, right?
no, that's why for scheduling, like we have to go for a command line. Yeah, CTA.
But
So
I don't know how
command line,
to.
yeah. CLI.
Can you show that one actually for us after this one, please?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So you will see here, there are 2 success, 2 record get inserted. So we have a record ID, item insert. There are 2 errors. I don't know what is that. Let's see. So duplicate value found, official email ID, duplicate value. I missed maybe. I put a, okay. So because official email ID is the external ID and which is not duplicate. So we are trying to enter the duplicate, and because of that, we got an error. Okay. So now 2 record get successfully inserted in Salesforce. Let's look at that in Salesforce. So if I go for an applications, our applications. Okay, so on the employee, see here, data loader.io, right?
No, you just put data loader only. No, you didn't put IO.
Okay, then these 2 maybe. So what is the value? Date of birth is there. Yeah, this one. So even like if you want exact value, so we have a success file. Within the success file, we have a record ID. So I will give you like The new value inserted on this is the record ID. So just copy this and paste here. You will get that. Yeah, same way. This is the value. Yeah, I think like 3 and 4 get inserted. 1 and 2 already exist. Because it's a duplicate, it's already exist. It's not inserted. And 3 and 4 get inserted. Okay, and the active one is active. Where is that checkbox? I think, yeah, this one.
Okay.
So it's a custom checkbox basically. So we put together. Okay, same way for updates, you need to have ID and then you can just simply change the values and then try to update it. It will work. There is no difficult in that. It's very easy. So for update, you have to go for like another task, which is new task, import. There is update options. Upset already we discussed it. Same concept. You need to have a, let's say if I go for an employee, see, use external ID field. So based on this external ID, the system will go and update. If it's found, else it will insert.
Does it works both for custom and standard updates, Sampath?
Yeah. So now basically the two record will get updated. We didn't change any value, but again, so just we run the update query. Yeah, see, 4, sorry. Because insert file contain there are 4 email address, data loader 1, data loader 2, data loader 3. Yeah. So if, because all 4 already exist in Salesforce, it get updated. And if we go and see the value of this record, and it will updated as a true, and date of birth is this. So okay, date of birth and the exact equal to true, and this is the email ID. Okay, so like that you can do the update operations. So any question on the data loader.io? Hello?
We are good, Sampath, except that scheduling in command line.
Yeah, that is the different one. So basically like we have to install like a software on that. So it's not
Oh,
like
okay.
very easy.
Oh, okay.
So I am not sure whether I put together, but yeah, we'll go through it. So data loader CLI, we can go for it. Yeah. Again, these are all like a developers can do data loader.cli, not
Okay.
like admin.
So if the admin wants to schedule the work, then they can't do that.
They
right?
can't, like they have to go for any data. So for scheduling, like you can go for a Jitterbit
Okay.
or the one which I showed you, like what is that?
IO, data loader.
Data loader.io. Yes, you can schedule it.
Okay.
But out of that, like the Jitterbit is easy. It's a free tool again. So you can, again, you have to install the software in your local machines and then easily you can connect and export it. Like, yeah, you can schedule it.
Okay.
Okay. So I think like 3 topics is over. Now let's move on to the Excel connector. For Excel connector also, I cannot show it in my systems. If you guys are using like a Windows machine, I'm happy to share, like you can give me a control. I'm happy to explain you on the Windows machine. So there is a document for Excel connector. So let me pull the document. This is reference Excel sheet.
There is some Excel connector, the second topic.
Yeah, that maybe software. Oh, okay, here itself is there. Okay, I thought like it's software. Even like there will be another document. So if I look for docs, yeah, you will get here. That is I just aligned it. So here, what you need to do, go to the website. This is a website. So you need to install the software, S4 Toolkit MSI, this one. Download these two basically. Okay. So you need to install the software. So download this zip file. And yeah, you need to download it. Then open the zip file. And then you need to download another one more file, sf connector.zip, and this contain like a Salesforce connector.xla. Then you need to install it. So once if you install it, depends on the version, like you are using, which Excel sheet you are using it to open Excel 210 or 213 to 16. Go to options, add on, then Excel add on. So simply you need to add on this file, S4 connect.xla file. So once if you add it, then you can perform all the operations. So who is using the Windows machine? Like if you don't mind giving me access, like a remote control, I can show it to you. So this is inserting the data from Excel sheet to a Salesforce. So anybody is using Windows machine? Prithvi or Vanitha? Maybe Manjunath, you are using Mac?
Sampath, yeah.
Okay.
I don't have Excel.
Okay.
Sampath actually.
Then that's good. What about Prithvi?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you have Windows machine?
Yeah.
So can we use your machine to install like Excel connector? Is that okay? Or because again, you guys, if you want like take a practice, I'm happy to show it to you. So what do you, but again, Prithvi, if I want to install it, you may need to give me a control your system. Is that okay?
Okay.
So you need to share your screen and give me a control.
Yeah,
And do you have Excel?
let me check.
Checking.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, what is the version?
It's the latest one.
Okay, so 2016.
I don't know. It doesn't say a version. It's just the latest one.
Okay, no problem. So let's use it anyway. Like if as long as if it's installed, not an issue. So can you give me a quickly control? Like I can take a control. Is that okay?
Can you request it?
Yep. Let me do that. So first of all, I will share your screen. Then I can request. Stop sharing. Yeah. Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
And feel free to minimize like all the windows. Yeah. Thank you. Now I can request control. Yep. So if you can give me the control. Okay. Good. So I will just go for an Excel. I want to just see like what options you have. Good, that's fine. So we don't have any Salesforce plugin at the moment. That's good. I'm going to give a cancel. Okay. Now I just sent you the link. Just click on the link. Okay. So just give me a minute. Is it full screen? I believe already you have access to this folder. So let's see like whether you will have access to it or not. So just I'm putting in the chat window. Yeah. So can you click on the link, please, in the chat window? Yeah, so on the downloads. So this one and this one. So if it's a 32-bit, we can go for it. If it's a 64-bit, we can go for it. But this is good. Let's go for this. Did I put a 64-bit or a 32-bit? Okay, let's see it anyway. So save as. So I'm going to save it to desktop. I will create a new folder.
You want to do that?
Yeah, yes, please do it so that like I don't know the desktop like any other system. Yeah, just put like a Salesforce. Yeah, enter it. Yep, save and another one more also, please. Yeah. The meeting going to be end in 10 minutes, but again we can finish. Yeah, once it's downloaded, yeah, just extract it. Go into the folder and extract it.
Yeah, I'm just extracting both of them.
Okay, and in the MSI, yeah, no, MSI first. Yeah, install that. So are we using any localhost in your system?
What do you mean?
Localhost, local server.
No.
Okay. If you put together like maybe localhost, you can run the website, everything, like you can build it locally.
Oh, okay.
So that will be easy. But again, yeah, we'll go through it. No need. That is the file. We need to add it. So once
Okay,
where is that installation is done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to the Excel sheet, open Excel sheet. Yeah, just close completely. Control Q. Yeah, close it. Now reopen it. Now go to options, last, add-on, add-ins, and select click go button in the bottom. Yeah. And select browse file, browse, and choose that the file like XLA. So yeah.
This one.
First, yeah. Yeah, that is the one. Open. Click OK. Click OK. Close this. I think like USA 64 machine close. Yeah.
Close everything.
Yeah. Reopen the Excel sheet now. Yeah. And let me see like is there is an add-on included. Now close everything. Yeah, reopen the Excel sheet. And can you see like an add-on is coming somewhere?
Where like
No,
here?
in the beginning, yeah. Add-on tab, separate tab.
No, let me just check again. No.
No, open Excel sheet first, blank worksheet. Yeah, in the top, I can see view help only. There is no add-ons. Okay, maybe like you may need to download 64-bit version. So can you go and download the 64-bit version in the same? Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah,
Hello,
save it.
sir. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. Now do the same thing, file options. Yeah. Desktop folder, yeah. And uncheck the 30, yeah. Click OK. No, I think one second. What is the error? The code and the project must be updated. Use 64-bit system. Please review and update and declare the additions. Okay, click OK. Yeah, give OK. Click OK again. So there are so many things coming. Yeah, just close it.
Here or here?
Like a window, yeah, the top window, yeah, close that, yeah. Still like I am not able to see the it has to come add-ins actually. So maybe like can you enable the add-in tab? File, view. No, in the view, I think. Look for add-in. No, still it's not coming. Okay. It will come like as a separate tab. So
okay.
but 1 minute. So let me check that. Maybe like we are doing like the same steps. Maybe like your system one, this one too. Yeah, done. Salesforce Connect. That is fine. Install options. Okay. There is another one more place. Maybe like I will try to do. We downloaded 32-bit. Yeah, that is fine. Let me go through it. Maybe this is the updated one. No, it's giving like an unexpected error. So it's SOAP API. Let me check. Excel connector of yeah. Okay. Can you, I think like, yeah, after installing the close the Excel sheet completely. Yeah. Yeah. And try to open it, try to install the application again, the MSI. Yeah. It says like there is an issue in that. So let's see, like, yeah, click continue, repair. Yeah. And so, yeah, click finish. I think restart is required. Okay. So open the Excel sheet again. Now let's see. If it's not, then we may need to restart it. Go to, yeah, open blank sheet. Is it coming add-in or no?
No.
Okay. I think like this one, let's try tomorrow. After maybe like when you get a time, try to restart it and see like whether the add-in tab is coming or not.
Okay.
Okay, because I'm sure like definitely restart is required after installing the MSI so that it will go and update the all Excel sheets.
Okay. Okay.
So that's after installing the software, like we need to restart the systems.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the one. And another one more like say, okay, let me take a control. So
Yeah, you have control.
share mine, stop remote control, and share my screen. Okay. So this Excel sheet, again, we'll go through it tomorrow. So once the system is ready, yes, we'll do it. Otherwise, like, yeah, I will try to put together like another Windows system also. So once this is ready, I will go through it. Now the third-party tools. So either we can go for a Jitterbit or Castellan or Informatica or Skyvia. Skyvia also similar to dataloader.io tool. Okay, so how we done the dataloader.io, the similar way we can go for it. So the Skyvia is freely available again, and free versions there are some limitations, but paid versions, yes. So you will have a plenty of features in that. You can go and schedule it, and you can even do like some kind of data manipulations within that. Okay, so other than these three, so Jitterbit, there is a free versions available, which is Salesforce Jitterbit data loader basically. So now if you want to download this, again, it won't support Mac, so you have to use the Windows. So you need to register in this URL. So once if you register, it will take you to into another page, basically like where you need to download the Jitterbit versions. So it should be like depends on the Windows machine, 32 versions or 32-bit or 64-bit, you can download it. Okay, or otherwise what I will do, I will try to put like a tomorrow in my system itself. I will put it like maybe Windows 10, and then I will try to show you tomorrow, not today, because Mac, yes. So totally like it's not working like even a data loader and the HL connector. I'm not able to do it in the Mac. So I need to have a Windows machine. So tomorrow I'll try to put like maybe one more additional softwares in my Mac. So let's see how it goes.
I'm gonna try to get Windows tomorrow, if at all, if you want, Sampath.
I'm okay. So I can just make it like another one more OS. But yeah, maybe is it possible to get it? Then I'm okay. So
Yeah, I'll get it. Yeah, don't worry.
and maybe like this one, what we